Good morning. Welcome to Mom Talk Thursday. We are connecting after almost 3 weeks, and I am so glad to be back. I missed you guys. I missed interacting with you all. If you're here for the first time, then let me say thank you so much for coming. This is Divya, your mom friend and your parenting coach, and I come live every Thursday at 11:30 a.m. to answer your parenting questions. So thank you so much for spending next 1 hour with me. If you've joined my live before and if you have come again, then thank you so much. Just before I got into this live, I got a message from Ekta. Ekta is someone who joins my live very often. I've seen her name popping up, so I know that. And she sent me such a sweet message that, Divya, I'm sorry I cannot attend the live today, but do keep the recording. This just shows me that what kind of a dedication she has as a mother to do better for her child every time. Because I have seen her journey from the very beginning, from just by attending lives, the change, the shift that has happened in her life. And that really shows that as a mother, she wants to grow. And that message really made me smile from within, very honestly, because I needed that. It was like, chalo, what I'm doing, at least I know it is impacting someone. And more than that, I am so proud of her as a mother to come here, spend that 1 hour with me and trusting me to give the solutions. Okay, so before we go ahead, if you're new here, then put in your questions. Niche jaake right side mein there's a question mark there. Put your questions there, okay? Because from my end, a lot of things just keep going up. I see who has joined, I see all the comments. So if you put your questions in the comment column, I may not be able to see it and respond it because it goes up too fast for me. So in case you have any questions, please put it on bottom mein, right mein, there's a question mark there, wahan pe, okay? So till the time you do that, I'm going to take these 2 questions that I got into my DMs, okay? And I wanted to reply to it because I know this is something that a lot of mothers will relate to. So she says, Aparna says, Divya, my 3-year-old throws a tantrum every single time I say no. अब यहाँ पे कौन है जिनका बच्चा वो अभी टॉडलरहुड स्टेज पे है? टाइप मी, ओके? बिकॉज आपको पता है कि उस स्टेज में व्हाट हैपेंस इज देयर फेवरेट वर्ड इज, जैसे आपने मना किया नो, एंड देयर फेवरेट वर्ड इज नो. ये कैसे हो गया? हाउ डिड यू से नो टू मी? ओके, सो शी सेज एवरी टाइम आई से नो टू हर, नो टू माई चाइल्ड, देयर इज अ बिग tantrum. Whether it's for screen time, whether it's for snacks, I try to stay calm, but after a few minutes, I lose it all and I yell. How relatable. I know. We all have gone through it. How do I actually handle these meltdowns calmly without giving in? Okay. So, if there's any one of you who faces the same thing, then type me. Because this is something that is very common. Not only with children, not only with toddlers, but with pre-teens and teens as well. Okay, so क्या होता है pre-teens और teens में children have still learned to internalize their emotion. So they know, तो हो सकता है जो meltdown है वो बाहर इतना ज्यादा नहीं है. Okay, so but अंदर होता है. But toddlerhood में क्या होता है ना, वो meltdown सब उनको emotional regulation तो आता नहीं है. So that meltdown is all outside. So the moment you say no to a child, okay, it's like suddenly there's a reaction and they will be like, why there is a change? Okay, for example, I will explain it to you. You're watching your favorite TV show, okay? Someone comes and say only 5 more minutes and then we'll shut it off, but you really want to watch it, right? देखना है मुझे वो एपिसोड पूरा करना है. मैं उनमें से हूँ. That's why मैं टीवी बहुत कम देखती हूँ, because एक बार मैं देखने लग जाती हूँ, मेरे को वो स्टॉप बटन नहीं आता इजीली. मतलब मेरे को वो सीरीज खत्म करनी होती है. मेरा ऐसा हाल है. Okay, so imagine I am someone like that who wants to watch the entire series. My husband comes and says, Divya, चलो अब सोने चलते हैं. नहीं भाई, मेरे को सीरीज देखनी है पूरी. And he's like, नहीं, okay, we have to sleep, tomorrow is blah blah blah. I am an adult. I can still manage my emotion and be like, अच्छा ठीक है. I can self talk, अपने दिमाग में बात करके, चल दिव्या कल देख लेना, कोई बात नहीं, and I will like, I'll switch off the TV. Now imagine you do that with a child. Okay, you do that with a child, बच्चों को पहली बात दे डू नॉट नो कि फ्यूचर में उनको मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, नंबर 1. सेकेंड, उनको नहीं पता कि मुझे अपने इमोशंस के साथ क्या करना है, बिकॉज फॉर देम एवरीथिंग इज नाउ. ओके, सो दे आर लाइक बट मुझे देखना है. दे डू नॉट नो कि व्हाट विल आई डू इफ आई डोंट सी इट. And especially with screen, with junk food, there is this kind of a hit that they get. Not only they, we also get. You know that it's so difficult to stop ourselves. How many of you are here जो mobile पे, you know, once you start scrolling and you think, अच्छा 2 minute के बाद I'll shut it off, but 10-15 minutes चले गए, we don't even know. Same with TV. Let's be honest here, okay? Because screen is so addictive for us. So imagine बच्चों का क्या हाल होता होगा. So the moment you come and say no to them, even if you have given them 5 minutes of warning, there is going to be a meltdown because they do not know how to shift gears. Okay, within my community, I tell all my mothers one thing. Okay, छोटे बच्चे कैसे होते हैं, जैसे आप देखोगे, जैसे इंडिया में तो नहीं बोल सकती, but if you have traveled out of India, you will see that cars are going in one lane. Okay. And to shift the lane, it takes time. India जैसा नहीं, ऐसे 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 ऐसे. Okay, same is in the child's brain. बच्चे का ब्रेन भी ऐसा ही होता है, छोटे बच्चों का. For them to shift gears, it takes time. आप एकदम से उसको बोलोगे ये नहीं ये. Some kids cannot change suddenly. They need time. And some kids are like that. You will say चल बाहर चलते हैं, and they're like अच्छा ठीक है, let's go. They are very flexible. Okay, so it depends upon the temperament of the child as well. Okay, so one is that it's very difficult for them to shift from this to this suddenly. It's not easy for them. Okay, so that is why there is a big outburst. Second thing is that when a child, even if you've given a 5-minute timer to your child and say acha I will come and in 5 minutes I'll switch off the TV. Okay, a child knows कि child को पता ही नहीं 5 minutes कितने होते हैं. Okay, so expect a tantrum. It is bound to happen. Okay, not expecting your child to cry is a wrong expectation if you ask me. Expecting कि मैं आके बंद कर दूंगी TV को and my child is not even going to say anything to me is a wrong expectation. Okay, I know social media में, books में, everywhere they give a lot of things that you know. It's okay, you should prepare your child, then you come, you switch off the TV, the child will automatically switch off because the child is prepared. But a 3-year-old is not prepared. Okay, me following positive parenting for so long, I can tell you, there are Saturdays and Sundays where my child himself switches off the TV, and there are Saturdays and Sundays where there is a big tantrum after I switch off the TV. So, दोनों accept कर लो. Parenting में आप जितने realistic रहोगे, your life is going to be much more easier. This is my personal belief. So even today when I go to switch off to my 6-year-old, और यहाँ पे question is about a 3-year-old, still see there is a age gap. Okay, I expect that he might cry. That expectation is there. My role as a mother is one, to prepare myself if my child cries. It is okay to cry. There is nothing wrong in crying. How many of you get triggered when your child cries? Not only about TV but about anything else. Type yes. Okay, I want to know. Because this is a topic which is very dear to me. That why do we get so triggered when our children cry? Okay, if you get triggered if your child cries, then type yes. I want to know that. Okay, बच्चा रोएगा. That is okay. As a mother, it hurts because we want everything to be nice. You know, we want that I go, it has to be picture perfect. But ऐसा motherhood भी नहीं है, ऐसी life भी नहीं है. Okay. So when you go with an expectation that yeah, my child might cry, but I have to be at a place where it doesn't trigger me. And even if it is triggering me, I need to be okay. So I'll give you my example only. If I'm going to switch off the TV and I know Zorawar might cry today, or I'm not even expecting कि last time तो उसने खुद ही बंद कर दिया था, why he will cry right now, I still go, I'll switch off the TV, but I know that he might cry. Okay, I do not say anything. I just look at him and I say, it's okay darling, I know you're upset because you wanted to see more, right? And you're like, yes, Mama, I wanted to see more, but you switched off the TV and you didn't even let me watch the last bit of it. It was just ending in just one more episode. Okay, खत्म नहीं होता वो. My role as a parent is not to be like, नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, and you know, ऐसे कैसे होगा. I don't have to get into an argument. I just have to tell him I understand that. But you know the rule that we have made now, correct? So it's okay, you watch it next time. I know it is difficult to switch off the TV. I know it is difficult. But we will stick to the rules. And the child keeps crying. How difficult is for you to switch off the TV? Let's ask that. Again, let's be honest. मैंने तो honestly बता दिया. For me, if I start a series, for me it is so difficult to switch off the TV. So difficult. मैं इसलिए TV देखती नहीं हूँ. पिछले 2 साल से I have come to a conclusion कि जब सैटरडे को टीवी देखना है, बिकॉज एक बार देखने लग गए तो मेरा फिर वो बंद का रिमोट नहीं होता है. इफ आई स्टार्ट समथिंग आई कांट स्टॉप. ओके, सो एक्नॉलेज योर चाइल्ड्स थिंग कि आई नो इट इज डिफिकल्ट बट वी विल डू इट. ओके, डोंट गो फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग. डोंट गो फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ ये करना ही है. डोंट गो फ्रॉम अ प्लेस ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन. जब मेरे से खुद नहीं कंट्रोल होता, मैं तुमसे क्या एक्सपेक्ट करूं. However, I am here to help you regulate it. Okay? And if in this question, as she said that उसका बच्चा ही 3 साल का है, I highly recommend, if it is a screen time or something, you know, have another activity planned. At this age, transitioning from screen time or something to another activity is comparatively easier. Okay? Have something more exciting planned, like taking your child out or playing something else with the child. At the age of 3, it's much more easier, let me tell you. Slowly, it becomes difficult. Now, coming to the main point of no. The moment I say no to my child cries. How many of you feels that? Okay? And I'll tell you, इसको ना एक different नजरिए से देखते हैं आज, ठीक है. बिकॉज ये मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आता है. मेरा बच्चा बहुत जिद्दी है, मैं बच्चे को नो बोलती हूँ, वो रोना शुरू कर देता है. एंड नॉट ओनली अ 3-year-old, आई हैव सीन इट इन अ 7, 8, 9-year-old as well. Lately I did a one-on-one call where a mother of a 8-year-old said that the moment I tell my girl no, there is a huge tantrum in the house. But a 9-year-old tantrum is very different. वो चीखेगी चिल्लाएगी नहीं. She's going to get rude. She's going to slam the doors. She's going to go. Okay? So no सुनने की आदत. I'll tell you what it is. इसको इस तरीके से देखो आप. Imagine we as adults, as a 20, 30, 40-year-old, okay? My life is suppose run by my partner completely, my husband or my wife, okay? There is a very little control I have on my life. And for everything I have to ask my husband, मैं ये कर लूँ, मैं ये कर लूँ, can I do this, can I do that? Now tell me, just the thought of it, how does it make you feel? If you have to ask the other person everything and the other person is just building boundaries for you every time. Imagine, and I want you to think about it and tell me, how do you feel? How do you feel? You feel very restrained. You feel कि यार मुझे हर चीज के लिए उसको पूछना पड़ रहा है. Our children is somewhere in the same situation, okay? But we have to keep them in that situation because they are not developed mentally or physically to take their own decisions. But I am asking you this question so that you can put yourself in their position and understand their frustration basically. जब आप अपने आप को दूसरे की पोजीशन में थोड़ा भी रख के समझोगे ना, you will understand from where they are coming. Okay? So, imagine I've gone to my husband and said, यार मेरा ना आज छोले भटूरे खाने का मन कर रहा है, खा ले क्या? And my husband says, no, today is not Saturday, you know, on Saturdays you're allowed to have chola bhaturas, remember? I'm like, यार खाने दे, मतलब, of course I get frustrated, right? Now cut to, a child comes to you and say, Mama, I want to have a chocolate. And you say, beta, but today is not Saturday or your junk day, no, so you cannot have it. You see, there is a connection. If I am getting frustrated because the other person is deciding everything for me, my child is also bound to get frustrated when I say no to my child. and it is okay for them to get frustrated, is what I want to tell you. Step 1, understand my child will get frustrated. It is normal for my child to get frustrated. It is my unrealistic expectation that I expect my child not to get frustrated. Can I also manage my child's emotion कि नहीं मैं no बोल रही हूँ but you have to be very happy with it? Is that a realistic expectation? Is that a realistic expectation? Because I have heard even myself saying it. Let's be very honest here, okay? I have heard myself also saying, when I say something to Zorawar and he behaves differently and I am not aware, I am doing something else, and I'll say, Arey Zorawar, what's the big deal yaar? You have it later, na? So what is happening is I am not understanding things from his point of view. Instead, when my child is having a meltdown, when I have said no for screen, food, going out, XYZ, you know, I will just take 1 minute, okay, and say, I know you really wanted it. I understand आपको ये चाहिए था. I understand you wanted to have a chocolate. I understand you wanted to do screen. I understand you wanted to go to your friend's place for a play date. And I know it is sad not to do it. Okay? And then I just pause. And let the child feel frustrated, cry a little bit. It is okay, मैं हूँ ना, I will hug my child. And then I say, but I cannot let you do it because either it's not in the routine or it's not the day, and I will not give over explanations. Okay? But I cannot let you do it. Or or it cannot happen today. Like my child wants to go for a play date, I tell him, I know you want to go. I know you want to show him this. You want to play. But darling, that may not be possible today. And then just leave it there for some time. मैंने लेटली इनफैक्ट अपने में भी काफी नोटिस किया है. पहले मैं ऐसे नहीं थी. नाउ आई हैव ट्राई टू फिल टाइम. लाइक मैं ना गैप देना भूल जाती हूँ. समटाइम्स यू जस्ट वांट टू फिल इन द वर्ड्स. द चाइल्ड इज बिकॉज माय चाइल्ड इज ग्रोइंग नाउ, नो, सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ साइलेंस बिटवीन अस समटाइम्स एंड आई वांट टू फिल इट. मतलब मेरे अंदर से होता है कि कुछ बोल नहीं रहा, मैं ही बोल देती हूँ. बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, समटाइम्स साइलेंस इज गुड. साइलेंस हेल्प्स देम प्रोसेस थिंग्स. ठीक है? So do that. I'll take this to the other side. वो छोला भटूरा example, let me come back. I go back to I tell my husband, I want to have छोला भटूरा. And my husband says, no, today is not Saturday. You cannot have छोला भटूरा today. No, it's not good for your health. You know, डॉक्टर ने मना किया हुआ है तुमको. आपको लग रहा है मुझे कुछ समझ आ रहा है, मुझे क्या बोल रहा है. मेरे दिमाग में तो छोला भटूरा ही चल रहा है ना. Right? Instead, if my husband comes and tells me, Divya, I know तेरा मन कर रहा है ना छोला भटूरा खाने का. I'll be like, हाँ यार मन तो कर रहा है खाने का. But you know कि it's not very good for you also, है ना. डॉक्टर ने भी मना किया है. तो हम सैटरडे तक वेट कर ले, सैटरडे को खा लेंगे. Now you tell me sitting there on which reaction will I feel more comforted, will I feel more connected to my husband to agree to what my husband is saying. The first where he just says no and then gets frustrated and then is giving me all the lecture, or the second where he is little calmer, he comes to me, he's like, I understand तेरे को खाना है, you know, he takes that pause. So option 1 or option 2, I need an answer. If you are here for the first time, then let me tell you, try live here, but I like the live to be little interactive so that I know कि you're getting my point across. Okay, that you are understanding मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. So put yourself in that position when you're not able to understand why your child is getting frustrated, and then try to reply from that point of view. Okay, there is a very good book that I am reading these days, which is Our First Conversation. Okay, I think once I finish that book, I'll definitely talk about it, but there's something in it which is very unique, which I loved. That connection with someone is actually not just understanding the child, it is also acknowledging the person. In this Chola Bhatura ka case mein, my husband not only understood what I was doing, but he also acknowledged it by talking about it. आई हैवंट गॉट रिप्लाईज अबाउट 1 and 2 हाँ अभी तक. इज इट 1 or 2? विच वन विल बी इफेक्टिव? देखो बोलोगे नहीं तो मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा, एंड बोलोगे नहीं तो मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे कैसे जाऊंगी. सो टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन जो आया था अबाउट हाउ डू आई डील विद इट कीपिंग माई काम, इज you first get you expect it is normal for your child to get frustrated. It is normal for your child to cry because उसको वो नहीं मिल रहा है जो उसको देना है. How can I deal with it? Over explaining नहीं करनी है मुझे. I can just go and be like I understand, acknowledge it and be there for your child. Parents, it is my humble request, don't over explain to your child. They जिसे बोलते हैं ना, दे लॉग आउट आफ्टर अ वाइल. ठीक है, तुम उनको इतना डिटेल देने लग जाते हो, उनका एज भी नहीं होता है. सब बच्चों को समझ में आता है, कुछ बच्चों को नहीं समझ में आता ओवर एक्सप्लेनिंग. ठीक है, और जिन बच्चों को समझ में भी आता है ना, आई हैव सीन पेरेंट्स बिकॉज उनको समझ में आता है वो ओवर एक्सप्लेनिंग खत्म ही नहीं करते. गिव इतना इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड, उसके बाद जस्ट स्टॉप. चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट इवन लिसनिंग. And my son though is very blunt these days. वो तो these days it's been like a year and a half. He tells me on my face, "Mama, I get what you're saying, but that's it. That's it. I need to stop." He's telling me, "Stop, stop. I understood आप क्या बोल रहे हो. I understood. Okay, agreed. Let's go. Okay. Okay. So with that, let me take the question here. Start from the bottom. My baby is 1.5 years, baby boy. He started spitting. How to handle this? Saying him no doesn't work. Saying him no doesn't work anyway, Shreyas, because I'll tell you, spitting, head banging, throwing things, spilling water जानबूझ के, these are only the sign of attention. Okay, when you say no to a child who is spitting, you are giving attention to the child. When you are giving attention to the child will do it more. Okay. When you are giving attention to the child, your child will do it more. So do not give unnecessary attention to it. When your child is spitting, suppose कुछ तो भी हुआ and he just spat, okay, उसने थूक दिया, okay, instead of saying अरे ये नहीं करना है तुम्हें, how many times I have told you, छी, not good, okay, you go there with whatever cloth you have to do. You go there, you tell him, beta, we do not do this in the house. Okay, this is a cloth. Let's wipe it together. Don't make it a big issue. Okay, do that for 2 weeks. You'll also see that a child will spit and look at you whether you're looking or not. Okay, don't even make it into a game. I have seen and I have done it myself and I have thoroughly regretted it. Sometimes हम उसको एक गेम बना देते हैं. ठीक है, कि I'll do it as a game. So बच्चे को वो गेम के चक्कर में भी वो बहुत ज्यादा करने लग जाता है. So treat it normally like how you would treat anything else. However, make sure your child is 1.5 years old. I know it's not that I expect him to clean after himself, but when you take the cloth there to clean it up, you ask him, it is dirty, chichi hai, let's clean it up. Okay. And next time, in case that is also not helping, then tell him next time you want to spit, show him the wash basin, show him outside, you can spit here. That's like redirecting, but try that later. If this doesn't help, if it is not for attention, it is for like some kind of sensation in his mouth that he feels like doing it, then show him where he can do it. Give him a cup to spit. This is only phase 2, because sometimes it can be a sensation thing as well. But mostly it's an attention thing, that they want attention about it. Okay? Okay. Next one. 6-year boy morning school जाने से पहले मना करता, मुझे गुस्सा दिला कर फिर खुशी से जाता है. रूटीन सेट, क्या रूटीन सेट करूं? स्कूल से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, अमर कौर, अभी ना लेटली मैंने अपने कम्युनिटी में ना एक ग्रुप में एक पोल किया था अबाउट व्हेन डू मदर्स लूज देयर काम द मोस्ट, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ मदर्स का होमवर्क था और काफी लोगों का मॉर्निंग रूटीन था. ओके, नाउ एंड उसके बाद मैंने आज एक उनको आंसर लिखा था कि इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग कि हाउ आई कैन फिक्स माई चाइल्ड, इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग कि ये क्या करूं, आस्क योर सेल्फ हाउ आई कैन हेल्प माई चाइल्ड, okay, to make it more smoother. Okay, so if I was in your place, I will say that yes, I have to set a morning routine. Please go to my YouTube channel. We have done routines many times as to how you can set a routine with your child. Okay, it's very simple, it's not that easy. One second, let me give me a minute, I'll show you something here. I took this picture yesterday also. Can all of you see this picture here that I have posted? I don't know how it looks. So this is the second time I'm trying on Instagram sharing a picture. Can you see a picture here? Yeah, just type yes if you can, then I'll go ahead. So this is a night routine that I have with my son. अब इसमें आपको कुछ समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा मुझे नहीं पता, बट उसने अपना रूटीन खुद बनाया है. Of course I sat with him and we have been doing it for 2 years. ये भी बता दूं, do not think कि ये ओवरनाइट हो जाता है. नहीं. पहले हमारे रूटीन सिर्फ उसमें होते थे, क्या कहते हैं उसे, आई स्टार्टेड एट 3 years. सो पहले हम लोग सिर्फ पिक्चर्स के साथ होता था, फिर हमने पिक्चर्स से ड्राइंग पे आया, फिर ड्राइंग के साथ वर्ड्स पे आया. नाउ ही कैन राइट, तो ही डज इट हिमसेल्फ. सो रूटीन्स आर समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू मेक विद योर चाइल्ड. ओके, you need to guide your child in making. Okay, you have to tell this is a flexibility as to ये होगा. Why this helps is, हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, हम लोग बच्चों के साथ सिर्फ बातों में रूटीन बना देते हैं. बेटा इसके बाद हमने ये करना है, इसके बाद हमने ये करना है, इसके बाद हमने ये करना है. बच्चा वैसे ही आपकी आधी बात सुन रहा है. Okay, so you all saw it, right? So I'll take it off now. How do I take it off? 1 second. Stop sharing. Okay, got it. So हम लोग बच्चे को बोलते हैं, बच्चे ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. ठीक है, एक तो इतना इंफॉर्मेशन है, वो मैंने कहीं लिखा नहीं है. देर आर नो विजुअल लाइक क्या बोलते हैं ना, विजुअल रिकॉल फॉर द चाइल्ड. ओके, आपने देखा होगा स्कूल्स में भी बच्चों का ऑलवेज, इवन चाहे वो उनका टाइम टेबल होता है, रूटीन होता है, एवरीथिंग इज विजुअली देयर. ऐसा क्यों होता है स्कूल में? सो दैट इट्स अ विजुअल रिकॉल. तो आपने जब भी रूटीन चार्ट बनाना है बच्चे के साथ, यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन. एंड प्लीज, आई डू नॉट एवर प्रमोट दोज फैंसी रूटीन चार्ट्स जो अमेजोन सब पे मिलते हैं. इट्स नॉट योर्स. कितने खरीद लोगे आप? रूटीन चार्ट हैज टू बी योर्स. रूटीन चार्ट हैज टू बी मेड बाय द चाइल्ड. रूटीन चार्ट हैज टू बी पर्सनल. It doesn't have to be beautiful. मेरे बच्चे का तो मुझे ही समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि वो क्या लिख रहा है, बट एज लॉन्ग एज उसको समझ में आ रहा है, आई एम फाइन विद इट. एज लॉन्ग एज इट इज वर्किंग, आई एम फाइन विद इट. ठीक है, सो डोंट लुक फॉर परफेक्ट पेरेंटिंग, परफेक्ट मदरहुड, परफेक्ट जिसे कहते हैं ना, परफेक्ट रूटीन चार्ट्स और एवरीथिंग. जरूरत नहीं है, प्लीज. ओके, सो गो टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल. देयर इज, वी हैव डन ट्वाइस, वी हैव डन रूटीन चार्ट्स कैसे बनाना है उसके ऊपर. Okay, now I'll come to the second point of it. 6-year-old boy मॉर्निंग में जाने से पहले मुझे गुस्सा दिला देता है. पहली चीज, always remember, you are getting angry because your child is doing something that is triggering something within you. Okay, that is triggering something within you. Okay, so what can you do to be more calmer? कैन यू वेक योर चाइल्ड 15 minutes अप, बिकॉज तुम्हें लग रहा है कि रोज ये 10 मिनट हमारा ऐसे ही जा रहा है. ओके, अच्छा, हम ट्रिगर क्यों होते हैं मदर्स, ये बताओ. सबसे ज्यादा ट्रिगर इसलिए होता है क्योंकि टाइम बाउंड होते हैं हम लोग. 7 बजे बस आ रही, मतलब बच्चा नीचे 7 बजे होना चाहिए. तो जब वो टाइम बाउंड हम लोग होते हैं और उस टाइम पे वो नई चीज हो रही होती है, दैट रियली ट्रिगर्स योर अ लॉट, राइट. तो आप अपने आप से ये पूछो, कैन आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग अप 15-20 minutes पहले? Can I wake him up 10 minutes before his time? जैसे अगर आप उसको अभी 6:30 बजे उठा रहे हो, आप उसको 6:15 पे उठाओ, because you know that he needs that time to, you know, take his time. उसको वो उनमें से नहीं है जो अलार्म बचा और उठ गया. He needs his time कि थोड़ा ऐसे करेगा, थोड़ा वैसे करेगा, थोड़ा खेलेगा, कूदेगा, फिर कहीं जाके वो तैयार होने लगेगा. ओके, एंड एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट. इन केस यू हैव 2-3 चिल्ड्रन, तो हो सकता है एक तो ऐसे तैयार होके सीधा चले जाता है, एक को टाइम लगता है, आराम से उठते हैं, उनको एकदम से नहीं जा सकते. जैसे वी अडल्ट्स आर डिफरेंट. आई कैन नॉट गेट अप द मोमेंट अलार्म क्लॉक गोज ऑन ऑफ. माई हस्बैंड गेट्स अप, उसको तो अलार्म उठानी, ही गेट्स आउट ऑफ द बेड ओनली. मतलब मैंने कहा इतनी फुर्ती कोई कैसे दिखा सकता है कि अलार्म क्लॉक बजा नहीं और तुम बेड के नीचे हो। मैं तो अलार्म क्लॉक बजा नहीं, मैं तो ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके एक आधी बार स्नूज करके ही उठती हूँ। ओके, सो एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट। अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट योर चाइल्ड नीड्स। ओके, आई विल ऑल्सो शेयर समथिंग पर्सनल। वो होता है ना कि अब जब एक मदर कुछ बोलती है दूसरी मदर को लगता है मेरे साथ भी हो रहा है, तो आई विल शेयर दैट इवन विद मी माई सन। So I used to wake him up at 6:30, 7 o'clock bus comes. Okay, now my agenda right now is to make him independent in the morning. So if you're new to me or if you're listening to the first time, then you will then let me tell you, in my life everything runs on agendas. Like for example, अगर मेरा अगले 3 महीने का टारगेट ये है कि मेरे को अपने बच्चे को इंडिपेंडेंट बनाना है, then I'll focus on that. ओके, आई ऑलवेज हैव टारगेट्स, आई डोंट मिक्स अप 2-3 थिंग्स। अभी मेरा मॉर्निंग का ये फोकस है, तो मैंने उसको क्या सोचा, ये फोकस करने के लिए आई हैव टू वेक हिम अप अर्ली बिकॉज ही टेक्स हिज टाइम। सो नाउ आई वेक हिम अप 10-15 मिनट्स बिफोर, बिकॉज जितनी स्पीड में मैं उसको तैयार करूंगी वो उतनी स्पीड में खुद तो तैयार हो नहीं सकता, राइट? आई हैव टू गिव हिम दैट स्पेस एंड दैट टाइम टू लर्न। सो आई स्टार्टेड पुटिंग हिम टू स्लीप लिटिल अर्ली, आई स्टार्टेड वेकिंग हिम अप लिटिल अर्ली। ओके, रोज क्या चीजें प्रॉपरली जाती है? नहीं, कभी कभी चीजें ऊपर नीचे भी जाती है। लाइक टुडे ही डिडंट गेट रेडी बाय हिमसेल्फ, आई हैड टू मेक हिम रेडी बिकॉज हमारा सुबह सुबह फ्यूज उड़ गया था, बिकॉज उसने मुझे कुछ बोला और मैंने सुना नहीं, एंड ही इज लाइक यू डिडंट लिसन टू मी, यू नेवर लिसन टू मी, एंड देयर इज बिग आईज, सुबह सुबह आंखें में से आंसू निकल रहे हैं। एंड एज अ मदर लेट मी टेल यू, सुबह सुबह जब बच्चा रोता है, मेरा तो पेन होता है, मैंने कहा ओ गॉड टैंट्रम ना हो जाए, बस छूट जाएगी। Very honestly, that's my first thought in my mind. मैंने कहा अरे यार ये टैंट्रम शुरू हो जाएगा, 15-20 मिनट टैंट्रम चलने में लग जाएगा, मतलब बस ना चली जाए। Okay, but that is where your awareness helps. Okay, in that moment I asked myself, क्या करना है मुझे? Do I have to get into a fight with him at 6:40? Or do I need to just spend 2 minutes with him, give him a hug, tell him, okay, fine, darling, I'm sorry I didn't hear you. Next time I'll be more careful. Give him a hug. That's all they need. शाम तक आते आते वो भूल भी जाएगा सुबह क्या बात हुई थी। ठीक है? So awareness is first thing that we need as mothers. हम लोग हमेशा रिएक्शन में चल रहे होते हैं। थोड़ा जब हम रिस्पॉन्स आएगा ना, motherhood is going to be better. And मैंने जो बोला है ये मुझे पता है, बहुत ऑनेस्टली आपको बोला है, मेरे दिमाग में यही बात चली एट 6:40 की, यार अब मैं क्या करूं इसके साथ। ओके, सो वी ऑल गो थ्रू इट। सो अमर, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज आस्क योर सेल्फ, क्या मैं उसको 10 मिनट पहले उठाऊं? मेरे बच्चे को कितना टाइम लगता है लेज अराउंड करने के लिए? क्या मेरे बच्चे को अच्छा लगता है कि वो सुबह उठ के पहले 5 मिनट मेरे साथ खेल ले? यू नो, a lot of mothers will say, but I anyways get up so early, you know, उसके बाद फिर मैं ये करूं। See, the choice is yours. Either you can have a very hushed up morning and then the entire day आपका भी खराब, बच्चे का भी खराब। ठीक है, बच्चे का थोड़ा कम खराब होता है क्योंकि वो भूल जाते हैं एट दिस एज। आपका ज्यादा खराब होता है बिकॉज वो गुस्से में, फिर वो गिल्ट में पूरा दिन चले जाता है जब तक बच्चा आता नहीं है स्कूल से, और जब तक आप उसको हग नहीं कर लेते आपको रियलाइज होता है अरे इसको तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा, मैंने आधा दिन अपना खराब किया। ठीक है, सो सी व्हाट यू कैन डू, चेक द रूटीन चार्ट ऑन रूटीन चार्ट का वीडियो ऑन माई यूट्यूब लिंक। ठीक है, दो बार करा है। एंड इफ यू आर सेइंग आई वांट टू डू अ मॉर्निंग रूटीन, make it little easy. Okay, make it little simple. Start with simple things. Don't put up everything. Okay, see आप कौन से स्टेप पे अपने बच्चे का हेल्प करोगे और कौन सा स्टेप वो इंडिपेंडेंटली करेगा, एंड देन यू कैन डू इट टुगेदर। ठीक है, एंड हाउ यू मेक अ रूटीन चार्ट विद योर चाइल्ड, अमर हियर इज वेरी सिंपल। डोंट से हमें बैठ के कल का रूटीन बनाना है। मैंने लेटली एक्चुअली यही किया था, बोलने के बाद मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, बट देन आई टोल्ड हिम, आई सेड सी वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग एट दिस पॉइंट, हम नाइट रूटीन में थोड़ा स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे। सो आई सेड एवरी डे वी आर स्लीपिंग लेट नो बाबा, सो हेल्प मी, टेल मी हाउ कैन आई मेक इट बेटर फॉर यू। यू नो, लेट्स सिट डाउन, डू अ रूटीन चार्ट, लेट्स सी कि कहाँ पे वी आर स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम, यू नो, कहाँ पे वी कैन बी मोर फ्लेक्सिबल। नाउ योर क्वेश्चन विल बी, क्या आपका हर दिन ऐसा जाता है? नहीं, बट अगर मेरे 5 दिन में से भी 3 दिन या 4 दिन भी ऐसे चले जाते हैं ना, इट्स अ विन फॉर मी। ओके, सो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एवरी डे इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम, बट इफ मोस्ट डेज आर द सेम, दैट्स अ विन फॉर यू। ओके, hope it really helped you. Do let me know in comments. Okay, next one. My daughter is 18. My daughter is 18 months old. She starts watching TV a lot. After every few minutes, gives me remote to open it, and if I don't, she gets angry. Okay. And if I'm going to say something that you may not like, your name is not here, so I can just say IKQ. Okay. Your child is going to ask you to do something, right? Your child is bound to demand things, especially after the age of 15 to 18 months. They are different from you, right? You don't have to do it because you are scared of their crying. You don't have to do it. I'll put it in a very simple और एक बहुत blunt way में आपको बोलती हूँ. आपके बच्चे को knife बड़ी अच्छी लगती है. Okay? The child, after every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour comes and says, "Mama, give me knife." A child is only 18 months old. You know, she's not capable of handling a child. Knife. Right? You know your child is not capable of handling a knife. Right? It's not good for your child. Just because you're not giving your child the knife, your child starts crying. Will you give your child the knife just because your child is crying? So, never ever give something to your child thinking, if I do not give it, my child will cry. Crying is their superpower. Please remember. And being calm, being in control is your superpower. Not getting triggered by their crying is your superpower. Okay? So your 18-month-old is absolutely right. उसका पूरा हक है भाई मेरे को टीवी देखना है, आप दिखाओ मुझे. और आपका पूरा हक है और राइट है और सही चीज है कि आप उसको बोलो, बेबा आई एम सॉरी, दिस इज नॉट योर टीवी टाइम. And you let her cry. You be there with your child. You be there with your child. You hug your child. You take your child somewhere else. You distract your child. It is okay. Your role is to comfort as a mother. Your role is not to give in just because my child wants something. That is permissive parenting, which a lot of parents do these days because somehow we want to make parenting easy. Don't do that. I see a lot of you are writing questions in the comments. If you have just joined right now, let me tell you, please put your questions in the question mark which is at the bottom right. The comments and all other things from my end, it keeps going up too fast for me to check. Okay? So if you want me to answer, then can you please put it on the bottom right. Okay? Can we do this activity even if the routine is set? About routine chats, I think you're asking. Yes. I'll tell you why. Because I don't believe in having routines forever. Okay. So whenever, even if the routines are set, even if your child knows what to do, it's good to always do a routine chat. Because you know why? You will know कि बच्चा को कितना पता है. So if my routine is already set with my child, I will ask my child, अच्छा tell me, after we get up, what do we do? After we do this, what do we do? And there are different ways of doing routine chats. If you want to make it fun, if your child is very young, okay? If your child is very young and you want to make it fun, and वो ना लिख पाता है ना उसको drawing समझ में आती है, what you do is, when your child is doing something, take a photo of it, okay? उसको simple print कर लो and then staple it. So there are various ways of doing routine chats. Routine chats only help children to visually recall, and routine chat also helps you to keep giving reminders, not giving reminders again and again. How? जैसे मैंने आपको routine chat दिखाया अपने बेटे का. 7 o'clock he has to go for bath. Okay? 7:05 हो रहे हैं, मुझे पता है कि वो bath पे नहीं है. So I will not tell him, Zoravar, go take a bath. My first thing to him will be, Zoravar, can you check in the routine chat? What do we need to do at 7 o'clock? Now, from a positive discipline point of view, we call it asking versus telling. Okay, when I tell my child कि you have to do this, I'm not letting my child think. When I tell my child, what do you think we need to do at 7 o'clock? I'm making my child think. I am letting his brain work. You understand there is a difference in both of that. हम लोग सिर्फ इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते रहते हैं बच्चे को हमेशा इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं देनी है, बच्चे से सवाल भी पूछना है. लेट देम थिंक, लेट देम यूज देयर माइंड. ओके, सो यस, यू कैन डू दिस एक्टिविटी इवन इफ द रूटीन इज सेट. Okay, I'll start it. अमर, थैंक यू सो मच. सेटिस्फाइड मैम, मैं आज से यही करूंगी. थैंक यू, यू हेल्प मी एवरी स्टेज. गॉड ब्लेस यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू टू माय डार्लिंग. टेक केयर, यू आर डूइंग अमेजिंग. ओके, okay, how to start a treat day. I don't want to give sugary food daily. As soon as they finish daycare, they cry for cream biscuits. Okay, I will answer your. Okay, daycare means your child is very young. Okay, how to start it? How do I answer this question? I'll say that delay it as long as you can, because once they know what they are getting, you're always going to get it. Treat day is very simple. You decide one day. If your child is very, very young, if your child is below the age of 3.54, then you decide that on Saturdays is going to be a treat day, and on that treat day also, how many treat that they can have? 2.5 years twins. Yeah, it's okay. So you decide. Okay, you have twins which is 2.5 years. You decide on the day. Like it can be a Saturday, it can be a Sunday. Okay. Do not go on to the overload of explaining your child it is not good for you, it is sugary, it will do this, it will do that. They don't understand, they don't care. Okay, they do not understand, they do not care. Whatever they want, if it is in the house, they will want it. If it is not in the house, you can always say, I'm sorry, it is not in the house. And then you can expect little bit of a crying for sure. Okay, then on a Saturday, keep your promise and give it to them. That's it. And your child might just be starting to talk, or or might be in a way that they can also communicate word by word. So you can show them on Saturday. So visually you can show them. Like you can just have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then you can say cut, 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 and Saturday you get it. This can become like an activity as well. You can try it. Because छोटे बच्चों के साथ when you say Saturday, they do not even know Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They cannot count. So they do not know when to expect. It's like somewhere in the future, but kitna future I don't know. Right? So try to do this activity of cut, 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 and show them that this is when we do it. Do not keep that junk food in the house. And also you have to be little bit prepared for a lot of tantrums. Okay? थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होगा, be prepared for it. Okay, whenever you are going to start anything new with the child, okay, anything new, do not expect 100% perfection from your end or from your child. Tell yourself and allow yourself that यार अगर 60-70% भी हो गया ना, I'm happy with it. Okay, mothers, ये कर लिया करो. Because I have seen mothers have put themselves at such a high level कि ये ऐसे ही करना है, मैंने ये बुक में पढ़ा है, मैंने ये रील्स में देखा है, मैंने उससे सुना है. ठीक है, that if they by chance are not able to reach that goal, they are very hard on yourself. How many mothers here are very hard on themselves कि यार मुझे उसको चॉकलेट नहीं देनी थी, but I gave it though it was not a Saturday or a junk day, or I unnecessarily gave him screen because I had some work. How many of you are so hard on yourself? We all are going to make mistakes. We all are going to bend boundaries here and there little bit. Okay? Yes, there are certain जिसे कहते हैं ना, एक मोटा मोटा there has to be a thing कि okay, these are the rules, these are the boundaries. Okay, but every time it may not happen, and that is okay. That is life. They are not robots, you are not robots, you both are humans. Relationship में ऊपर नीचे होता रहेगा. Someday you may give your child extra 10, 15, 20 minutes of screen time when you decided not to give it because you had so much work, you were so overwhelmed that you were like yaar bas tu le le and I need 10 minutes to myself. It is okay. That 10 minutes is not going to harm your child. It should just not become a norm. It should just not become an everyday thing. ठीक है? So mother, if you are going to be very hard on yourself, you will always feel frustration inside. Be easy. Okay? Be kind to yourself. गलती हो गई यार, ये करना नहीं चाहिए था. I know I shouldn't have done this. It's okay. I have done it. Let me see what can I do better. Okay? When you're easy on yourself, you're going to have much better relationship with the child as well. When you're easy on yourself, you're going to be much more kinder to yourself and to your child. Okay? Have expectations. Expectations are good, but have realistic expectations. Okay? I'll say it like this. Suppose you have decided I'll go to the gym every day. Okay? You went to gym on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday you could not go. Okay? Now Thursday you could not go for whatever XYZ reason. Now if you're so hard on yourself, yeah, I did not go on Thursday, how could I miss it? This is not right. They said that you should do it every day. Even if you miss a day, you will not be able to achieve the weight or the health that you need. And you're giving all these negative thoughts to yourself. You think it is helping you. What is past is a past. What is future you cannot see. Focus on the present. On Thursday, if I'm not able to go to the gym, I'll just tell myself, I know I should have gone, and because of XYZ reason, I'm not able to go. It's okay. Tomorrow, I'll start again. Okay? One negative thought is not helping me. Negative thought is just going to bring that energy in the house. That negative thought is all just going to ruin my relationships with myself first. Okay? So mothers, be kind. Have mota. There has to be a boundary. There has to be a rule. But do not expect it to be 200% कि यार ये ऐसा ही होगा. और अगर बाई चांस मेरे बच्चे ने वो एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट खा ली ना, या मैंने उसको एक्स्ट्रा वो दे दिया, मतलब I have ruined my child forever. No. You have not. It is okay. Okay? It is absolutely okay. कोई बात नहीं. What next? How can I avoid it next time? Okay? Like I'll just share one small thing, then I'll take another question, the last one. We have a rule कि Saturday को we are going to have junk, right? Now suppose Saturday ko my son had his chocolates and everything. Sunday there is a birthday party. What do I tell him? Am I supposed to tell him in front of his 10 friends or 50 friends that darling, sorry, your Saturday is over, you can't have it on a Sunday? Does that even seem fair? Will I like it as a mother, as a person? I will not like it. So have little flexibility. The little flexibility will allow you to breathe. The little flexibility will allow you to be kinder in your motherhood journey. Okay? Okay, I'll take the last question. Jyoti Gupta. My daughter is 6-year-old. I am struggling too much to complete her homework. While struggling, I get frustrated and I can't control my anger and I slap her or I start shouting at her. Jyoti, first of all, I want you to come to my masterclass, which is on Sunday, 11 o'clock. Link is in my bio. Why I'm asking you to specifically come is, when you hit your child, when you are shouting on your child, and that too for studies, you are actually shrinking their brain in long term. And I'll tell you how when you come to the masterclass. Okay? In my masterclass, I have explained you in detail how the mind works and how the screaming and shouting is not helping the child. especially when it comes to studies. And I'll tell you the research which has proven it. Okay, so here you also know that the struggle is within you because you are getting frustrated. You are not able to manage that time. बच्चा तो नहीं कर रहा है for whatever reason it is, okay? But you are getting frustrated. So if I was in your place and मेरे बच्चे का रोज होमवर्क नहीं हो रहा है, I'll ask myself, how can I help my child to finish homework? क्या reason है उसके पीछे? Is the homework too much? Is she not understanding it? Is she getting too distracted? Is there anything else that I am not seeing, that is happening? What is the reason for the homework not getting completed? Okay? And whenever you are teaching a child, there is one thing I always want you to remember. All the parents here, please remember this. Okay? आपके लिए वो CAT, CAT, MAT, MAT, 1 word, 2 word, 21 plus 52 is like it's on your fingertips. Right? Your expectation is that my child should know it in a minute. For your child, it is a new thing. और कुछ बच्चों को शायद समझ में आया क्लास में, कुछ को नहीं आया, वो अलग चीज घर में आके. So our frustration starts building as a parent when we are seeing my child is not doing. I'm like, यार बैठा हुआ है 5 मिनट हो गया, सॉल्व ही नहीं कर रहा है. How many of you feel that? I'm telling that from my own experience. मेरे को भी होती, मैं ये नहीं बोलती कि मेरे को नहीं होती frustration, मुझे भी होती है, मैं सच्ची बोल रही हूँ. It's just that I keep my frustration in my head and I'm like, it's new to him. He is still learning. तुमने क्वेश्चन देख के आंसर तुम्हारे दिमाग में है, क्यों? Because you have learned it. It has become your second thing. वही चीज I give you to start learning Spanish now. You will also struggle, Dipya. Spanish छोड़ो, piano lessons struggle, Lego struggle, right? So whenever you sit with a child to teach a child या homework complete करने के लिए, give that space in your head, give that and have a good time. Don't have unrealistic expectation कि मेरे बच्ची को ये 2 मिनट 5 मिनट में आना चाहिए. उसने भी पिछली बार तो कर लिया था, इस बार क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इस बार मे बी माई चाइल्ड डजंट अंडरस्टैंड इट. लास्ट टाइम हो सकता है तुक्का मार लिया हो. मैं तो कभी कभी जोरावर से सीधा पूछ लेती हूँ, ये तुमने पढ़ा है वर्ड कि तुमने तुक्का मारा है? Literally, I laugh about it. I said, be honest. I want to know if you know this word or you're just guessing it. And sometimes they say, Mama, tukka mara hua tha. I've already heard it. It's okay. At least he's being honest to me. Okay. So, Jyoti, register for my masterclass. Come for my masterclass. I want to tell you why you're hitting, shouting is not helping your child at all. Okay. And some of you wrote me here, you have not answered my question. I'm sorry. I know I've come after a lot of time and there are a lot of people who have written the questions. I'll definitely answer them next Thursday. Okay. It's already 12:30. Thank you for joining in. I can answer how much ever I can. So I'm answering to the best of my capability. But my next masterclass is on Sunday. If you have not registered and if you are interested to learn more about how our brain works, what triggers us, and how the connection works, then do join in Sunday at 3:30. Okay, the registration link is in my bio and I'll see you there. Bye. So it'll be like upload karna please. Yes, all my lives get uploaded. I will upload it, but YouTube upload will happen around Sunday, Monday. Okay, chalo bye. Thank you so much everybody for joining and I'll see you next Thursday at 11:30.